Just a fire alarm, guys. I know it's here in town, I just don't know where it's at. So I don't know if you guys wanted to hear the siren. There's the siren for you guys. I just hear it at my house. I'm probably about maybe... I'm only a few blocks away from the fire department over here in town. I don't know if we'll be able to see the fire trucks going by down the street over there, but we'll see if we can hear them maybe. I'll see if you can hear them. Let me shut Yeah, I know. That's just my mom speaking, guys. It's cold out too. You could see all the snow out. Hey, Oreo. There's my cat if you want to see her, and my dog. Yeah. Well, there's the other cat too. Yeah. I don't know if we'll get to see him, guys, but I'm thinking we'll hear him. Yep. Well, thanks for watching, guys. That's the siren that was going off. We'll try to get more of the siren going off here as soon as I find out. There was a fire alarm activation that happened, so that's why the siren was going off. I'm probably at least only a few blocks away. Yeah, I'm only a few blocks away from the fire department. Fire department's actually behind us, but it's a few blocks away. Oh, here you go. Here's the chief. Well, you guys saw the chief, but you didn't see. But you're probably not going to see the fire trucks going out. Depending on... No, he's going straight across, so... it looks like we're not going to see him, guys. Well, I'll try to get a video of them responding for you sometime. I don't know when that's going to be. Thanks for watching.